Good morning, children. Last class we have discussed about the evidences of evolution, and there are some three examples we'll be discussing. First, we have discussed already evidences from morphology and anatomy. Second, we are going to discuss about the evidences from embryology. Embryology is nothing but the meaning of this word embryology, the branch of biology which deals with the development of embryo, young ones. So, by studying the embryology, the study of comparative embryology of different animals supports the concept of evolution. Embryos from fish to mammals. With diagram, we will see these are the fish. Down it has been given salamander, tortoise. These are the that is amphibians. This is amphibians. This is the reptiles. This is chick is the bird, and mammals, rabbit and man, both are mammals. By studying the embryo of different animals, vertebrate animals, it has been found out that initial stage or the young stage, if we see in case of fish, in case of human being also, both are looking same. So it proves that all the animals have developed from same origin, but due to their changes in the environment, different parts have been developed and adaptation had taken place. That is the evidence. So we are going to discuss that one. The embryos from fish to mammals are similar in their early stage. That one I told, early stages of development, both are similar, all more or less same. The differentiation of their spatial characters appear in the later stages of development. Fish, at last end stage, we can see fish-like structure. But if we see in the human being, just like the small baby. So later, but initial stages of development are same for all vertebrates. Similarly, same on invertebrates also. But the differentiation, the special characters have special characters means the fish, they are aquatic animals. For that reason, they have developed the tail have been developed and the fins are also there for swimming. But in case of human being, it's not needed. So limbs have been developed. So later stages of development, the different special characters have appeared, which proves that from this type of evidences, scientists have come to the conclusion is the biogenetic law or recapitulation theory that had been proposed by the scientist Ernest Haeckel. So what is the name of that scientist who proposed the biogenetic law? Ernest Haeckel. According to this theory, according to him, what he told, ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny. What is the meaning of this? Ontogeny is nothing but the developmental stages, recapitulates, repeats. Recapitulates means repeats phylogeny, evolution. Meaning has been given. So, what is the biogenetic law or recapitulation law? Now, ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny. The meaning of this, the stages of development of the individual animal repeats the evolutionary history of entire race of animal. That is the meaning. So only one word we have to study. Who proposed the biogenetic law? What is that law says? Now ontogeny repeats phylogeny, recapitulates phylogeny. Now next, another evidences from paleontology. So again we have to study paleontology. What is the meaning of that? Paleontology deals with the study of fossils. Who proposed? Who used the term at first? Leonardo da Vinci is called the father of paleontology. What is the evidence? No, evidences from fossil records helps us to understand the line of evolution of many invertebrates and vertebrates. Fossil records show that the evolution has taken a gradual process from simple to complex organism. The origin of modern birds, one such example has been supported by the evidences from paleontology. So here you have to study what do you mean by paleontology and who is considered as the father of paleontology. Leonardo da Vinci. Now Archaeopteryx is the bird who that the origin of modern bird is supported by the evidences from paleontology. Name of that bird is called the Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx is the oldest known fossil bird. One more question again. It was an early bird life form found in the Jurassic period. Which period? Jurassic period. It is considered as the connecting link between the reptiles and birds. What are the connecting link? Means the organism which is connecting the two groups. We know the species, amphibia, mammalia, species, amphibia, reptilia, apes, and mammalia. So from reptilia birds have been, or apes have been developed. So this bird Archaeopteryx is showing the characteristic features of both the classes, that is reptiles and birds. What are the characters like reptiles? Now first, like bird has been given wings with feathers like a bird. It had a long tail, clawed digits. Clawed means very sharp nail. Digits and conical teeth like a reptile. So only wings with feathers like a bird. Reptile character, these are long tail, clawed digits, conical teeth like the reptile. So reptile characters, tail, clawed digits and conical teeth. Bird's life features, wings with feathers. 2 marks question again. Now next, these are the 3 evidences we have discussed. Now we are going to discuss about the theories of evolution. Life had evolved along with evolution of Earth towards the end of 18th century. Now definition, we have to study what do we mean by evolution. Evolution is the gradual change occurring in living organisms over a period of time. To explain this evolution, different theories have been proposed. These different theories have been proposed. Only 2 theories have been discussed in your syllabus. First one is called the theory Lamarck. The natural changes occur of evolution explained through the theories of evolution as proposed by Lamarck and Darwin. Now one by one we are going to discuss Lamarck. And the theory whatever he proposed is called Lamarckism. Lamarck, name of the scientist, ism, Lamarckism. So what is the full name of Lamarck? Jean-Baptiste Lamarck was a French naturalist. He was a Frenchman, well known for his theory of evolution. Lamarck's theory of evolution was published in the book. Name of that book is Philosophic Zoologique. One more question. Philosophic Zoologique, QUE, in the year 1809. It is popularly known as theory of inheritance of acquired characters, or use and disuse theory, or together it is called the Lamarckism. Now what are the theories he told? Together they are called Lamarckism. First principle, internal vital force. What is that principle says? This principle says that living organisms or their component parts tend to increase in size continuously. This increase in size is due to inherent ability. Inherent means natural ability of the organism. So living organisms or their component parts tend to increase in size continuously. Any part of the body is increasing in size, that is due to the natural reason, natural ability of the organism. This theory says that, internal vital force. Second one, environmental and new needs. A change in the environment, whenever any change takes place in the environment, the organism also to survive, and to survive in that environment, organism is also changing its characteristic features. This theory says that, so that it is changing its characteristic features to adapt in this environment. Adapt means to survive successfully. A change in the environment brings about changes in the need of the organism. In response to the change, whenever changing in the environment takes place, the organisms develop certain adaptive features. Adaptive features or characters are nothing but to survive in that environment, changed environment, organisms also changing their characteristic features. The adaptation of the organism may be in the form of development of new parts of the body. That is the environment and new needs. Third one is called use and disuse theory. That will be discussed in the next session. Okay, thank you, children.